Is Discord overlay popping up in your games, causing lag, FPS drops, or blocking your screen? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Discord overlay in 2026 step by step, and you can do it in under 1 minute. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're gaming on PC and the Discord overlay keeps getting in the way, this quick guide will fix it for good. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC and make sure you're logged in. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon. This will open your user settings. Now scroll down until you find the option called Game Overlay and click on it. At the top of this page, you'll see a toggle that says Enable In-Game Overlay. Simply turn this option off. Once you disable this toggle, the Discord overlay will no longer appear in any of your games. If you only want to turn off the overlay for specific games, go to Registered Games, find the game you're playing, and disable the overlay just for that title. Quick bonus tip: if Discord overlay was causing performance issues like FPS drops or stuttering, make sure to restart your game after turning it off for the best results. And that's it. That's how to turn off Discord overlay in 2026 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment done, so I know it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.